Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to check your screen time on a Samsung Android phone. Firstly, start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Go to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. You're gonna find that in Settings, just scroll down and select Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. You'll see an overview of your screen time for today. Tap on the screen time to get more details, including apps you use frequently and the time you spent on each one, number of notifications, and number of times you unlock your phone. You can also view a weekly report to see how your screen time changes over the week. If you'd like to manage your screen time better, set a daily or weekly goals there to encourage more mindful phone usage. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.